A very good morning to my dear student of class 5. Today we are going to continue the chapter 2 shapes and angles of your NCERT book Maths Magic. Earlier we have done some question of this chapter and also I told you about the types of angle. So today we will continue this chapter and let's start. Here we have question number 15. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. यहाँ आपको क्लॉक के पिक्चर गिवन है और आपसे कहा गया है दैट एक दिन में ऐसा कई बार आपकी घड़ी में टाइम ऐसा शो होता है कि दोनों घड़ी की जो सुइयाँ होती हैं वो 90 डिग्री एंगल फॉर्म करती है. इट मीन्स राइट एंगल फॉर्म करती है. राइट एंगल इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. सो इट लुक लाइक एल शेप. सो कई बार घड़ी की सुइयाँ एल शेप बनाती हैं, दैट इज़ 90 डिग्री एंगल. तो आपको वही कोई 3 टाइम्स बताना है या हम कोई भी 3 टाइम्स लिख सकते हैं. एज यू नो, जब 9 o'clock होता है एग्जैक्टली दे आर मेकिंग एल शेप 90 डिग्री एंगल. 3 o'clock, 9:30, 3:30. सो वी हैव सो मैनी टाइम जिसमें आपकी घड़ी की सुइयाँ 90 डिग्री बनाती है. सो हियर वी हैव द सॉल्यूशन. So we have the solution here. The first clock is showing 7:55. It means 8 o'clock होने के लिए 5 minute left हैं. So 7:55 is looking like L and that is forming right angle. Next is 9:30. Small hand जो आपका 9 में है and जो long hand है that is in at 6. So it is also forming right angle. Next is 12:15 and this is also forming right angle. As you can see clearly that it is looking like L. So you already know that the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. So here we have the 3 time which are showing right angle. Here we have the question number 16. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands at these time. आपको क्लॉक के कुछ पिक्चर्स गिवन है और आपको उसमें टाइम बताना है एंड ऑल्सो राइट द टाइम. टाइम लिखना भी है और आपको बताना है कि वो जो टाइम है उसमें आपके जो क्लॉक के हैंड है वो कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं. उस एंगल का आपको काइंड यानी कि उसका नेम भी लिखना है कि दैट आर शोइंग राइट एंगल और एक्यूट एंगल और ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. सो वी हैव द फिगर हियर. So here we have given the 5 clock. In this clock you should tell the time also. इसमें आपको टाइम भी बताना है and you have to tell the kind of angle also. अब इसमें आपको एंगल का काइंड भी बताना है कि कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है. So here we have the solution. Yes, we have the solution here and the first clock इसमें आपका जो small hand है यानी R hand है that is at 7 and the minute hand is at 5. So 5 5 is 25. As you know जब आपका 1 step clock चलती है तो 5 minute cover करती है. So 5 पे है. So it is showing 5 5 is 25 minutes. So time is 7:25 and angle forming by the two hands is acute angle. Now the next is we have here small hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 3. So 5 3s are 15. So 8:15 is the time and angle is, as you can see जो angle है आपका it is greater than 90 degree. L shape से बड़ा लग रहा है आपको. So that is forming obtuse angle. Next clock the small hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 2. So 5 2s are 10 and that is showing 9 10. Time is 9 10 and angle is greater than 90 degrees, so it is obtuse angle. Now the next clock is small hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 5. So 5 5 is 25. The time is 9:25 and the angle is greater than 90 degrees, so it is showing obtuse angle. Now the next we have the last small hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12. So that is showing 10 o'clock and the angle is less than 90 degrees, so it is showing acute angle. So first clock और last clock आपके acute angle show कर रहे हैं because the angle is less than 90 degree. L shape से थोड़ा सा कम है and जो बाकी जो हमारे rest clock हैं that are showing obtuse angle because angle is greater than 90 degree. L shape से बड़ा आपका shape है. Now we have the next question. The next is question number 17. Draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle. Also write the time. यहाँ पे हमें right angle से छोटा angle form करना है. L shape से कम shape उसकी होनी चाहिए. And also we have to tell the time. और जो भी हम time बताएंगे उसका time भी बताना है. And it should be acute angle. As you know, right angle से छोटा angle क्या होता है? Less than 90 degrees acute angle. So we have the solution here. So here we have the solution. The first clock is showing 11:45. 11 से थोड़ा सा आगे 11 पे स्मॉल हैंड है एंड 9 पे जो आपका मिनट हैंड है 5 9 45. So time is 11:45 and that is showing acute angle. Next is 1:16. क्योंकि आपका 3 से थोड़ा नीचे 5 3 15 1 मिनट मोर, सो इट इज़ 1:16. स्मॉल हैंड आपका 1 पे है, सो 1:16 एंड दैट इज फॉर्मिंग acute angle. The next is small hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 10, so that is showing 8:50 and that is also forming acute angle. These all figures are less than 90 degree, so these all are showing acute angle. क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं एल फॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है, एल से थोड़ी सी शेप कम है, सो दैट इज फॉर्मिंग एक्यूट एंगल हियर. सो फर्स्ट इज 11:45, 1:16 एंड 8:50. The next question we have question number 18. Can you guess how many degree is the angle which is half of a right angle? 1/2 or half? Solution, we know that the right angle is 90 degree. As you already know कि आपका जो right angle होता है that is equal to 90 degree. So half of a right angle it means आपको 90 का half कर देना है. It means 90 divided by 2. तो 90 को आप जब 2 से divide करेंगे you will get 45. So half of 90 degree is equal to 45. So we have here half of right angle is 45 degree. Question number 19 is, can you guess how many degree is the angle which is 1/3 of a right angle? अब आपको right angle का 1/3 बताना है. So as you know the right angle is equal to 90 degree. So 1/3 of a right angle it means 90 should be divided by 3. 1/3 means आपको 90 को 3 से divide करना है. When you divide 90 by 3 you will get 30. So 1/3 of a right angle is equal to 30 degree. Now the last question is question number 20. Question number 20 is, can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is 2 times a right angle? Now आपको बताना है 2 times of a right angle. So you know that we already know that the right angle is equal to 90 degree. Then 2 times of a right angle will be equal to 2 multiplied by 90 and that is equal to 180 degree. When we multiply 90 by 2 we get 180. So 2 times of a right angle is 180 degree. So here we have completed our chapter number 2, shapes and angles. So you will do all this work in your textual book. It means आपको अपनी book में ये सारे questions करने हैं. Thank you so much class 5. Hope you have understood all I try to make you understand. Thank you.